This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC, and today I'm going to show you how to service the air filter on your Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000. Servicing your air filter is one of the most important things you can do to maintain your machine. Now, Can-Am recommends servicing your air filter every 100 hours or 1,000 miles. So today I'm going to show you how to do that on this 2018 Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000. Now the procedures that I'm going to show you will work on the 2018 and 19 Maverick Trail 800 and 1000 models. To do this job, you need some contact cleaner, rubber gloves, rags, and safety glasses, and a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. Now you can use an OEM paper type filter, which is disposable, or you can use the Twin Air foam type filter, which is cleanable and reusable, and that will save you money in the long run. The first thing we need to do is remove the air filter cover. Now I need to remove the 3 clips that hold the air filter box cover on so that we can remove it. Now to remove the air filter, you just need to pull it out. Now you can obviously see that this air filter has a lot of dust in it. Now these are not reusable, and you would need to replace it with a OEM filter or the foam type. So today we are actually going to replace it with a foam type because you can clean it and reuse it, which will save you money in the long run. Now you can see that there's quite a bit of dust that's been built up here. The biggest important thing is you want to make sure that there's no dust that has gone into the intake. Now let's take some contact cleaner and a rag, and we'll go ahead and clean out the air box. Now the Twin Air filter comes pre-oiled, so now we can just go ahead and install it and then install the air box lid. Now that we have that installed, it's the same procedure to install the OEM filter. Now if you are using the foam type filter and you need to clean it and re-oil it, we have a really good video that you should check out on that. Now we just need to reinstall the outer cover, which is fairly simple, by 2 clips, and that's it. That's all there is to servicing the air filter on your Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000 or 800. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessories. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.